this is what I got. It's a wireless G, not an N. Surf for play. It's not, certified refurbished router product. And guess what? It's a Linksys, division of Cisco. They make the best networking products out there. Very expensive, but okay. It's got a MAC address, which all hardware should have. I just started learning about MAC addresses, stuff like that. So it's the packaging. Now we're going to take it out the box. Oh yeah. It comes with your CD. I believe this is a warranty. I will actually keep this because it says Cisco on it. I'll show you what router I have right now. You'll think it's nice, but it's actually a piece of junk and very unreliable. Oh yeah, the network cabling, which I really won't use because I have one already. And look at this this router. There is no antenna sticking out of it, and it weighs less than the one I have. This is very beautiful. Very beautiful. Get a good look at that. This is a router. I mean, 10 years ago, we couldn't have things like this. And when the first wireless router did come out, it was they did come out with, there was some Cisco ones like this one, but they looked kind of, they weren't pretty. But this one, I'm sure the interface is on this. This one has 4 Ethernet ports for, network sharing or, network sharing. Or file sharing, doesn't matter. And then this is where your internet goes into. So you plug that straight into the modem that you have, or your network provider's modem that you get your network from, your power and your reset. I hope I won't be using the reset button because with my router I have now, I've been having to reset it for a lot. Oh yeah, and your power cord. This is refurbished, so I may have some problems out of it. I may not. But we're gonna go and install this bad boy and up to my network. Well, I just paused the camera and I got a call from work, so I got to go into work. So we're gonna try to install this really fast. So for installation, you will need the router, the power cord, a network cable to connect it up to the modem, and your laptop or desktop, whatever. Let me show you the router I have. This is a Belkin 54G plus modem. Router. It's got 2 antennas. That means it can connect a little bit far, and it will do. It'll connect a lot of clients. But bad thing about this router is it shuts off when it wants to. It cuts off the internet when it wants to. The Wi-Fi light will go out. Sometimes the Ethernet will be working, won't be working, and this wireless light that shows the activity won't. You can't really see it, but it blinks rapidly. The camera can't keep up with it, and usually the power light will be on, but nothing will be happening. So this router is ready to go. I will probably keep it just in case this is a bust. So now we're gonna shut it off or unplug it. We're going to power up our computer. I wasn't actually fully prepared for this part, so just unhook it from our network. So as of now, I don't have internet wirelessly. I no longer have an internet wireless router. We're going to leave the plastic on this one because it vents from the bottom, so I just like my stuff to look new. So of course we're going to have to plug this in, so we're going to plug it in. One thing I didn't see, run CD first before connecting the cables. I didn't see that. Hopefully it doesn't do anything. I thought that was always the law with these routers, but I was so quick to get it up and running. So let's put the CD in. And we want to run the CD. Wait for the CD GUI to come up. And maybe this will just show you how to set up a router, a basic G router, or just set up this particular model, because I know these sell like hotcakes because they're cheap. And here we go. So we want to start the setup. I don't even know what it does come with Trend Micro. I remember that. I don't know what Network Magic is. I just want to get this router working before I go to work. User agreement. End user agreement, I guess. Uh-oh, I better connect this thing to a network or something. I'm going to plug this thing into a network because it might not connect. Now it's saying hook the router up, power, and data. So let's do that. It actually shows you a little animation, which the Belkin router did not do. So step 1, plug in your router, Ethernet, and power. Oh wow, this is actually instructions. I thought it was going to take me through. And go to the back of the router from the computer to the router, or router to the computer. So we're going to plug this thing in, our network adapter, which isn't reaching right now. Now we're getting some activity over here. I don't know what's doing, but so step 3. Oh, okay. It skips step 3. It's saying plug into the wall outlet, which it's already plugged in. Hopefully I didn't. Waiting for router. The computer's trying to communicate with the router, so I can go into settings, set my password and username. Yeah, I'll just leave it to default. I'm not going to leave the video on for this entire thing, but who wants to see a router actually install when you want to? I'll show you the GUI. Alright, here's the router password. Administrative router password protects your router from unauthorized access for security reasons. You should change the router password from its default setting. Well, of course, I'm going to change it from my default setting to my own password since I brought it. I'm going to have my router name as It's So Easy, quoted by the famous Edward de Coin. It's so easy to beat the competition. So we're going to use the other username. Oh yeah, we want that. That's the path. That's what we want. That's what you want. High security. So that's what I'm going to leave it on mine. And this will be my security key below. And I'll change it to what I want. I'm actually going to get the Cisco toolbar just for the sake of it, just in case for troubleshooting and stuff like that. So that's what I'll do. Now it's going to verify and check the router again and make sure we can get on the internet. Now it said my network was successful and I can use my network. So it's doing something with this network magic, and it says it can protect your wireless network from intruders, share your files and photos with other computers on the network. That's pretty good. Print from any computer. That's really good too. This is actually what I've been looking for. Troubleshoot and repair your internet connection. Control other and monitor your computers. Oh, this didn't come with the Belkin software. The Belkin software came with this like 4-color GUI that wasn't pretty. It's asking me for home network. Okay, it's configured. Now I want to take this thing for a test, make sure everything's working. We're gonna take it out from the back, take the cord out from the back. There we go. It's so easy. Connect. My computer doesn't even have the password for it, so how the hell is it going to connect? I do have security on it. Here we go. Now that's when I type it in. Don't want nobody to see my key. Connecting. Let's see if I typed in the right password. And we're connected. Let's see if we can get on the net now. Scratch my elbow. This video was not supposed to be this long, but I don't know, all my unboxing videos seem to be extra long. Alright, let's try to get on YouTube. And oh wow, we are surfing. We are installed. Alright, that's how you install a router.